If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To correct red eye or pet eye in a camera raw image in Photoshop Elements, click the Red Eye Removal button in the toolbar at the right side of the Camera Raw dialog box. If needed, then use the Pupil Size and Darken sliders that appear in the Red Eye tab in the pane to the left of the toolbar to set your desired levels for both settings. To toggle the visibility of the feedback overlay on or off, check or uncheck the overlay checkbox. Then click and drag over the red eye or pet eye to correct in the image. The correction occurs automatically using the settings you specified. If the program cannot find any red eyes in the selected area, a message box appears and prompts you to redraw the area to include the eye and some of the face so it can make the corrections. To reset the correction if desired, click the Reset Red Eye Corrections button in the upper right corner of the panel. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.